Brothers Bistro. Recipes so simple, even a dude can make it. Hi, I'm Skinny Kenny.
I'm Musclehead Kev.
And we're the Klar Brothers. Welcome to Brothers Bistro.
Wow, buddy, what do we got going on? It feels like it's been a long time since we've done an episode.
Well, you've been out fighting fire. I don't know if you've been lighting fires or fighting fires, but you've been gone for quite a bit.
Well, they called me again, so we're doing this rush thing, trying to get these episodes out.
We got some new unis. Did you notice?
I like it.
Yeah.
Hey, does it go with all of our new subscribers?
It goes with our new subscribers. We got 258 subscribers on YouTube.
And how about Facebook?
Well, I got my haircut for the Facebook post, folks.
There may be some single women out there.
There might be. Almost 1,500 Facebook likes.
Wow.
We use a little different vernacular on Facebook. But we had a
Okay.
Facebook outage yesterday. Did you check that out?
Oh, boy. I bet you went through withdrawals, huh?
Yeah.
All right.
And we got some cool artwork
Swag.
from a fan. Look at that.
That one actually looks like me. That one doesn't look like you.
Oh, come on. That looks just like me.
This one looks like me.
Thanks to Allison. She did a bang-up job on these. You rock.
Allison rocks, definitely.
If you guys want a personalized painting or a mug like this, you let us know. We'll hook you up with Allison.
That's right. We might have a giveaway on one of these things, huh?
We might. And did you notice mine was dark and yours is light?
Yeah, why is that?
I'm the evil twin and you're the good twin.
Oh, that goes with our national debut.
That's right. Our national TV
Our
debut
Halloween
is coming
debut.
up. And you guys are going to be blown away. We're only going to tease at this point because it's still 3 or 4 weeks away.
That's right.
We're waiting to hear all the details, but we will let you know as soon as we know.
Oh, it's pure knucklehead. Pure knucklehead. You're going to love it.
Okay, but tonight we got a nice recipe for them.
We do. Is it simple?
It's
Is
simple.
it easy?
It's simple and easy.
And was it good, easy to shop for?
Easy. I think it was easy. You did the shopping.
Yeah, it was pretty easy. The hardest thing to find was the feta cheese.
Okay.
I was in the cheese aisle looking for. Has anybody ever else done that? Is looking for the cheese, the feta?
Well, man, if you can't find the cheese, I don't know. We're going to have to send out a search party. Okay, so we're doing grilled chicken. Okay. Everything happens tonight on the barbecue, which is super fun because it's kind of fall. That's kind of a fall thing.
Well, and for us, it's a Rectech.
That's true. We got the Rectech. Rectech, we're looking for an endorsement
right.
deal.
Are you listening?
Yeah. So Rectech, we're going to Rectech everything, and we're going to get sliced zucchini with lemon and feta cheese as our veggie. So that's a little highbrow, right?
Yeah, and the chicken is just queued up.
Chicken is just queued up, normal thing. I mean, we'll walk you through the basics, but nothing really special about the chicken. We just want to get them on there and make sure it's well done.
Well, it sounds like it was pretty easy. I know when I went shopping, I had to find the mint, had to find the not cucumber, I had to find zucchini, and I had to get the feta cheese. Those are the toughest things.
He finally knows the difference between zucchini and cucumber.
That's right. Mike White, are you listening?
So, we'll be right back with the ingredients, and we'll show you what we got to go. We'll show you how simple this bad boy is.
Be back in a jiffy. Wow, we're back!
And it looks a little more complicated than I thought.
Holy shit.
Okay, but it's not that bad. Let me walk you through it. So, first of all, we're going to do the chicken.
I can do the chicken. This is,
okay.
I put my Montreal steak seasoning, or actually chicken seasoning,
right.
on this. And
I
got that down.
We're still looking for that McCormick's endorsement deal. Have you heard us? We haven't got our mail. It just seems to be clogged up. We're not getting anything.
Maybe when we hit the national spotlight, they'll come with it.
Maybe.
Okay.
No, they're gonna have to pay big bucks to get us there.
All right. So then we've got not cucumbers, zucchini, sliced up, kind of thin.
About a half inch thick is what we did, right? Half inch thick, and we got a little bowl here. Now we're gonna transfer these to a bigger bowl because we're gonna put all this stuff: olive oil, kosher salt, right?
Yeah,
where did the kosher
what
salt
is the
go?
deal with kosher salt?
Let me show you the kosher salt.
And black pepper. We know what black pepper is.
Morton's kosher salt. Now, Morton's could be an endorser.
Maybe the priest that blessed it is.
There probably is. There's got to be something like that going on to make it kosher. All right, so kosher salt is a little coarser than normal salt, and it mixes up better. So this recipe called for kosher salt, so that's what we got. And then after these things come off the grill,
right?
But we don't want them to fall through the grill.
Well, we got to put them on. We got to put them on
our grill basket. Right?
Right.
And this bad boy is something you can get on Amazon. We got it in a day and a half.
Right.
So,
you can find the product affiliate link right there. Right. Just click on that bad boy.
Find that in the comments and order up. This is a beauty. And then when it comes out of there, we're going to add the lemon juice
Okay.
The lemon zest.
Show them the zesters. Show them the zester.
Oh, right. We got this zester. So it's a little bit like a cheese grater, right? But you just rub it on the side of the lemon. And it takes a bit of work to get even that much lemon zest. I mean, it's kind of a
But it does have some flavor. I guess that's why they tell us to do it.
Yeah.
And then the juicer. We got good at the juicer.
The juicer, yeah. The juicer, this is our 3rd or 4th time using the juicer. So we're experts now on the juicer. And a lot of lemon juice comes out of that lemon, not much lemon zest.
Yeah. We had plenty of juice
and then
not
the
a lot of zest.
final ingredient is the feta cheese.
That's right.
That took my brother so long to find in the
We
grocery
got to
store.
cheese it up.
Yeah.
And
we got the mint leaves. They'll be in there
mint
too.
leaves. Mint. Look at this. Growing live mint leaves. We pulled it right out of the ground almost, and then chopped it up or pulled it apart, and we got to put it on there so we get lots of flavor. So that's the deal with that.
All right, so we're going to come right back. We're going to show you our big bowl of cucumbers.
Zucchini, buddy.
We're going to show you our big bowl of zucchini, and we're going to have it displayed on the grill just when we're ready to go out to the grill.
All right, so stand by. We'll be right back.
All right,
Wow, that all boiled down to nothing.
Right? So we got the chicken.
Look at that. It all fit in that little basket. Holy shit.
So we got the
balls.
chicken. You did your normal thing. We
Right.
seasoned one side with the Montreal.
That's right, because you don't want to get it too seasoned, too salty.
Because, yeah, it ends up being a little salty if you do both. So we got that ready to go. We're going to use the Rec Tech, which will tell us what the internal temperature is. What's the internal temperature need to be for chicken again?
It's 145, 150.
Okay, so
Like
145.
that. And then we pull it
150.
off and it cooks a little bit longer.
And we'll put this, look at this cool little zucchini basket, right? So we were able to get everything on here. We didn't think it would all fit, but it did. So we're going to do this, and we'll cook it for a few minutes, and then we'll flip it over, and they'll get nice and grilled, and then we'll bring them back out, and we'll put on the extra condiments.
So hang tight with us. We're going to be right back after you see it all actually fully cooked and really kind of ready to be plated, right?
Exactly.
All right, be back.
All right, we're back, baby!
Hey, look, it turned out pretty darn good. Look at
Man,
that.
the chicken looks amazing. And look at the zucchini.
Woo!
Or is that cucumber?
That's zucchini. All right, so we got a lot. Final.
We got our lemon juice. We're gonna pour that over there. We got our lemon zest. Pour that over there, right? And we got our leaves, our mint leaves.
All right.
And we're gonna mix that up here like this. We'll, stir it up.
Stir it up.
Okay, and then we're gonna pour the feta cheese on. That's our final.
Hey, give me that. That looks yummy. That looks yummy.
All of a sudden,
really
it turned from not looking so good to looking
Wow,
great,
buddy. This was a good idea you had.
All right, so let's
Look at that.
Let's serve
Wow.
it. So serve me a chicken breast.
Here's your chicken breast. We got
Okay.
6
Turn
ounces,
it around
right?
here. Yep, 6 ounces of
And
chicken
I'll
breast.
give you about half of this because that's how I'd roll.
Okay.
Okay,
looks
look at
pretty
that.
good.
That looks pretty good.
We got another chicken breast.
Let me get this down.
Okay,
here.
all right.
Just because I have it in my
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. I can smell the lemon
Yeah.
and the
smells really good,
mint
And the mint. Okay.
and
Put
then the
chicken
breast.
over there.
Chicken breast. Okay,
Nice.
there's that. Get these out of the way here.
And then we gotta test this baby.
Taste tester. Look at that! Holy cow! All right, so taste a little bit of the zucchini.
The zucchini. What? You said cucumber. The zucchini first. Let's do a little taste of the zucchini because the chicken. We know we can do that. That's pretty good, right?
Yeah, it's got a little lemony.
Yeah.
I definitely can taste the lemon. Definitely taste
I like
a
the
little bit of
feta
the mint.
cheese too. The
Feta cheese is really good.
All right, let's do a little bit of the chicken.
Okay.
Nice job, bro.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, that's good. So, listen, guys, this wasn't that hard. I mean, the hardest thing was finding the mint and the feta cheese in the grocery store.
Right. Chicken was pretty easy. Problem with chicken in the store is that they tend to give you a pretty big chicken breast.
Yeah.
So
yeah. So you want to make sure you get it down to 6 ounces after it's cooked. That's a full serving.
And it's about 7 ounces. It shrinks about an ounce or two, right?
Yeah.
Something like
that. And
that.
then in this case, we got the cucumber. And the
really, this was only like 2 zucchinis, one for him and one for me, basically, right? And a little bit, one of those little things of the mint, a little container of feta cheese.
Yeah.
It was all kind of right there, all included. The lemon, we were able to zest it and juice it and do the whole thing.
Now that takes that's a little deceiving because the lemon juice you can get out of a single lemon, but the zest takes a little bit, so you might need 3 or 4 lemons to get the right amount.
And the zest gives a little bit of a zip,
it's
right?
pretty cool.
So if you didn't want to do the zesting, I would say you could probably buy just the lemon juice in the store. And
probably get away with
alternate it.
Yeah.
So
if you get this a chance and you want to let us know, put it in the comments that you're going to try it and let us know how it turns out. We would love to hear from you.
Yeah.
And if you haven't, we told you before, but we'll tell you again. Hit those notifications. Turn on the subscribe button. Give us a thumbs
that
up.
like.
Yeah, give us a thumbs up. Let us know you like what you're seeing, and we'll be back before you know it.
That's right. Brothers Bistro, out.